Here I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, then you will have to go to the sound and vibration, then go to the ringtone. Here you can select one of the preset ringtones. You can set it on silent mode. You can add ringtone here by selecting audio file from your device and set this file as a ringtone. And you can also just select one of the preset. Let's listen to some of them. As you can see, you have different categories. You have Galaxy ringtones like Sunlight, Universe Bell, Pluto, Polaris, Orbit, Neptune, Moon Discovery. You have calm ringtones like these ones. You have some of the classic songs. I love this one very much. Such a beautiful song. And you also have some of the fun ringtones. Yeah, very fun. And you also have some retro ringtones like Dance, 80s Phone, Arcade, Neon, Retro Love, Roller Disco. I guess I'll just stay with this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.